Hello and welcome to Get Paid to Work at Home. This is MPC's Work at Home Club. And for the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an amazing income by becoming a member of this Work at Home network. It's super exciting, and people are changing their lives on the daily basis by simply networking with others and working from the comforts of their very own home. So, how would you like to earn $500 to $1,000 per week working from the comforts of your home? Well, people are doing it every day right over here at MPC. I would like to welcome you to the MPC Work at Home Club. Let's touch down on a few things so I can get you in and get you out so you can start earning today. First of all, who we are. MPC Work at Home Club is a membership earning community comprised of average, ordinary people who have chosen to create wealth working right from the comforts of their own home. We simply find other great people that would also love to stay home, work while making an amazing income. How easy is that, guys? That's something that is super easy. What we do, MPC Work at Home Club members are only tasked with one assignment, and that's to find other great people that want to work from home and make an amazing income. That's it. Nothing crazy over here. We're doing simple things to help everybody to earn money during these hard financial times. How do we earn? MPC Work at Home Club members are able to earn by simply inviting others to join the club. Our members have absolutely nothing to sell and nothing to buy. That's amazing, right? We simply find other great people that would like to earn a great income as one of our mini club recruiters from home and offer them the membership. So that's all you're doing. Finding other people that would love to work from home and get paid every day, twice a day, three times a day, five times a day, multiple times per week. That's what we're doing, guys. This is super simple. Now, let's look at what the club offers. We have membership packages. The MPC Work at Home Club has three powerful and scalable membership packages. These packages can create wealth for anyone that joins our network. Package number one is our silver package. Everyone comes in as silver for $110. The gold package is $250, which you go into from simply profiting from your upgrades, right, from the silver package. Then you're going to go into the premium package for $1,000. These are some powerful packages, guys. Let's just say, for instance, you bring in five people at the $100. By the time they scale up to the $1,000 level, you've accumulated $5,000 coming to you, guys. This is something that can happen within the next 7 days. How would you like to get 1,000 coming in within the next 7 days? Of course you would. So, what is in the packages? Well, MPC Work at Home Club membership packages contain a large variety of ebook business training downloads. These are yours, guys. Each package offers more training materials that a member can use to start or further, right, expand their work at home business. How about it, guys? You guys can get over here and start learning from these ebooks and build an amazing business. Not to even mention the business that we're going to have you in by bringing in great members. So this is something that everyone can do. How much a member can earn with us? Well, MPC Work at Home Club members can earn an amazing $5,500 per month by simply signing up 5 memberships. Wait a minute, 5 memberships in a month can bring in 5,500. That's it. All you need is 5 people to say that they want to work from home, and you're looking at $5,500 per month going into your bank account. That is amazing. How can becoming a member help you? Well, this is how it can help. By becoming an MPC Work at Home Club member, you will be able to earn an impressive daily and weekly income. As we all know, prices are soaring around the nation and the world. People are struggling just to keep food on the table for their families. Also, due to the high fuel costs, people are starting to quit their jobs because the cost of travel is almost superseding their paycheck. As a member of our network, you will be able to create a great income from home, which will greatly assist in the following things. It will help you with the ever rising food costs. It will help you to keep food on the table. By becoming a member, you will have never ending monthly bills coming in, and you're going to be able to pay them. What else? Continuing high fuel costs. We'll be able to attack those fuel costs, and it will not hurt you at all, because why? You're a member of a club getting paid by helping others to do the same thing. Let's just take a look at the monthly income from only referring 5 members to this club. This is going to blow your mind, guys, so get ready for it. Now, let's just look at what we have here on our scale. We have the silver package, gold package, and platinum package. Now, we look right here and see the package cost. $100 to come in, right? $10 administrative fee. That's going to be paid to set up your website, back office, membership tracking. That's all yours. Log in, It's all yours when you become a member here. So we have our packages at 100. We have the $250 package, which is the gold, and we have our premium platinum, which we call the big boy on the block, because that's going to help you to gain financial freedom very quickly. Now we're going to look at the members we're going to be talking about. We're looking at 5 members. You'll notice as we go down, it says the same 5. So I'm showing you how to do this with just 5 people. These are the donation incomes coming in when they become a member, and this is the upgrade. Remember, we're upgrading in the 3 levels from scaling up from profit, of course, nothing out of your pocket. It's going to be amazing, guys. And then we have the bankable income. This is how much you get to keep after you upgrade. So let's just move from the left to the right so you can get a good idea about how this is done and how it can change your life. Let's just say, for instance, you've already joined, you've paid your $100 to your sponsor, and you've paid your $10 administrative fee for a total of $110. Let's say that you bring in 5 people. Now we're looking at doing this, guys, for $5,000 per month. So let's say you bring in 5 people. That means you've just earned $500 when you multiply those great 5 people times the $100. From that $500, you're going to scale up into your gold membership package. So if you look at this, you've already received what you've invested back, and you're also going into an upgraded position. So now you have $250 for your upgrade, and you're able to put into your bank account an amazing $250. Yeah, that's exciting, guys. Now, let's say, for instance, your members do the same thing that you did, upgrade to you for $250 the same way you did to your sponsor. That means time those great 5 people, that's $1,250. From the $1,250, you want to scale up for the last time. This is your last scale up, guys. You're going to be scaling up for $1,000. When you scale up for $1,000, that's going to leave another $250 in the bank. Now, let's say, for instance, your team members scale up just like you did to the $1,000 mark. That's going to give you an amazing $5,000, man. That's amazing. $5,000 coming directly to you. But look at this. There's nothing else going out because you already have obtained all 3 membership packages. So now that means you're able to earn on the 100, 250, and the 1,000. From your members scaling up to that 1,000, you've collected $5,000. So when you look at your totals, you've totaled 5,500, 5,000 here, 2,250 in spillover, 250 in spillover. You're looking at $5,500, guys. That is amazing. So what do you need to do right now so that you can get started today and start earning today? Finding great people, whether it's your family members, your friends, that would just like to sit at home and make some money. You can do this from all over the world because our website is mobile optimized. So you'll be able to do this from all over the world. So right now what you need to do is get back to the great MPC Work at Home sponsor that sent you this information. Let them know that you viewed the video and you want to get started today. $110, guys, can change your life. Do not let $110 stop you from being able to pay your bills, pay for fuel, and change your entire situation. So I welcome you in advance to the Money and Power Club, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Take care.